everyone and welcome back to our channel Data Logic. So today we are going to learn how to make progress circle chart in Excel. So first I am copying some data in the Excel. Now I am taking support column as 1 minus B2 and dragging it till bottom. Now go to insert and select the table and go to the charts and then select donut chart. Click on the plus icon and untick chart title and legend. Now go to format. From there, change height and breadth of the donut chart as 2. Now right click on the chart and go to select data. Now go to add and add series value as 1 20 times, then click OK. Now click on the inner circle. After that, go to Format Data Series and fill the data as 65%. Now go to the paint icon and click the solid fill. Here I am taking blue. Now I'm copying this chart and I'm going to give different color to all the charts. Now I'm going to add series name as service level and series values as 65% and 35%. Again, right click on it and go to change chart type and click on service level. Now I'm going to change the color. For that, click on solid fill and change the color accordingly and change the transparency level as 20%. Same thing I'm going to repeat on other charts as well. Now again go to insert and then text box. After that I'm going to click on the formula bar and select performance 65%. After that I'm going to change the font and color of my choice and then drag it to the center. I am going to repeat same thing on other charts as well. Now same thing we are going to do for metrics as well. Now you all can change the value of service level, productivity, and sales conversion, and the chart will change its value accordingly. Hope you guys like this video. If you find this video helpful, do let me know in the comment section. Until then, take care. Bye bye.